Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. And in this video, I'm going to explain Newfist Trinity reviews. Guys, the people from United States and United Kingdom are looking forward for the information regarding this product, whether this product is a legit product or a scam one. So guys, I'll help you know whether Newfist Trinity is a legit product or a scam one. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the picture of this Newtist Trinity device, and guys, it is a facial toning device that comes with extraordinary features. But guys, we would like to inform you that this is not our product, and if you have never ordered this product, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then you must watch this video because I'll share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. So guys, it is the microcurrent facial toning device that helps you in improving your facial contour, tone and appearance of fine lines or wrinkles. So this comes with amazing benefits or advanced technology, you can say. So let's explain the entire information related to the legitimacy factors as well. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's discuss those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So guys, talking about the price of the toning device, the cost of the toning device is $325, or you can also make the payment via Afterpay by a 4 interest free payments of $81.25. So this is an amazing benefit that the official website is giving to their valuable customers, and they're also offering 1 year warranty as well. Coming to the product dimensions, guys, it is 9.2 into 5.6 into 5.5 inches, and it is associated with one lithium metal battery as well. Now coming to the benefits of this product, guys. So it comes with ample number of benefits, as it can hydrate your skin, it gives smoothness to your skin and soothes signs of fine lines and wrinkles. Apart from that, it is designed with interchangeable treatment attachments. On the other hand, this is clinically tested and it is travel friendly or comes in portable size as well. Guys, this product formulated without alcohol, fragrance and paraben oil. And yes, it works with microcurrent technology that helps in toning your face, or you can use this in 5 days per week for the first 60 days, and if you want to maintain your best results, then you can use 2 to 3 days per week, guys, after 60 days. So this was the usage, you can say usage layout. And coming to the legitimacy factors, guys, so we would like to inform you that the website's domain age is, or you can say the official website domain age is 28th of July 2006. So this is a plus point here. This defines that this is a legit portal that they are offering this product. However, coming to the Newfist Trinity reviews, guys, we have found a 3.2 star rating on Trustpilot and 4.3 star rating out of 5 on Amazon as well. However, majority of the customers are satisfied with the results of this amazing product, and here you can also view the 476 reviews that are positive and recommending this product. One of the customers said this just may be your new best friend and it's good. Used for 6 weeks, see a difference in jawline. This won't help wrinkles but does help with tighter skin. So these are the positive comments that makes the product quite legit, guys. However, we have also found few negative comments. So one of the customers said the worst experience of my entire feminine life and is making my skin falling and it creates new big lines. So guys, that's totally up to you. We have found the mixed reviews about this product, but in the context of the legitimacy of this product, we would say this is a purely legit product. You can give it a try at your risk, guys, and do proper research before making any decision or before placing your order. So always prefer to place your any order from the official website so that you can invest your money on the worthwhile products. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.